The syllabus is huge, time is short, and your brain feels empty. What if I told you there is a secret formula that toppers use? So in this video, we are going to reveal top 15 exam tips. So first thing first, the 5-minute kickstart. Ever feel like you can't even start studying? There is a simple trick. Just promise yourself 5 minutes of studying. That's it. Just 5 minutes and your brain gets hooked. Once you begin, you won't stop. And second one, the 3-tier study method. Not all topics are equal. Here it is how to prioritize. Divide your priorities into 3 levels. That means high priority, medium priority and low priority. In high priority level, choose short exam questions, important concepts. In medium priority level, just choose supporting topics, examples. In low priority level, extra details, deep theory. So divide like this. Don't waste time on things that won't appear in the exam. So many students waste their time in this situation. So remember that don't waste time on things that won't appear in the exam. And third one, the memory palace technique. Ever forget dates, formulas or facts? Imagine storing them in rooms inside your mind. Picture your house. Each room holds an important fact. Now walk through your memory house. Boom, you will never forget. And number 4, the night study mistake. You think late night studying makes you smarter? Wrong. After 11 p.m. your brain's retention drops by 40%. Remember this. Instead, wake up early, study when your brain is fresh. Mornings is equals to golden hours for studying. So just study at morning times only. And number 5, the teacher trick. The best way to learn is to teach. Explain the topic in simple words. If you can teach it, you know it. And this trick is most powerful because I also use this most of cases. So just follow this trick. Definitely any information you remember long time. And sixth one, the 5-second rule. You know you should be studying, but your brain wants distractions. Here is the fix. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Count and immediately start studying. This trick looks like silly, but it's very very powerful. And seventh one, the 25 study plan. Studying too long without breaks actually kills focus. Study 20 minutes and take 5 minutes break. Repeat this. Study 20 minutes and take 5 minutes break. Just we should repeat this and your brain will stay consistency. Small breaks is equals to big brain power boost. Just remember this. And number 8, the last minute revision hack. On exam day, ditch the books and just revise key points and short notes. That's it. Your brain needs recall, not relearn. There is so much difference between recall and relearn. So just recall, not relearn. And ninth one, create a study schedule. Break down the days into manageable study blocks. Prioritize the subjects or topics that you find most challenging. Include breaks to avoid burnout and make sure you cover all key areas before the exam. And 10th one, practice past papers. Review past exam papers or practice questions. This helps you get familiar with the exam format, time constraints and commonly tested topics. It also boosts your confidence and helps identify areas needing more focus. And 11th one, focus on active recall and spaced repetition. Instead of passively reading, use active recall. That means testing yourself. And spaced repetition. That means reviewing information at increasing intervals. These techniques enhance long-term retention and help you remember the material more effectively. And 12th one, stay organized with notes. Review and organize your notes by summarizing key concepts. Use color coding or diagrams to make information easier to observe. Flashcards can also be a great tool for quick reviews of key facts or formulas. And 13th one, stay healthy and rested. Prioritize sleep, hydration and healthy meals. A well-rested mind performs better and staying active with light exercise can help reduce stress. Don't skip meals and aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. And 14th one, teach what you have learned. Teaching others or even just explaining concepts out loud to yourself can reinforce your understanding. If you can explain a topic clearly, it's a sign you really understand. And 15th one, stay calm and positive. The week before the exam can be stressful, but maintaining a positive mindset is key. Practice relation technique like deep breathing or meditation, manage anxiety. Confidence in your preparation will make a significant difference. So these are all the tips and tricks you must and should follow before the exam. Not only intermediate students, 10th students also can use these tips and tricks. So just follow and change your life with unbelievable marks. And the final message is the exam game plan. You have got this. Exams are not about how long you study, but how smart you study. That's it. Use these hacks and score like a topper. By the way, which tip helped you most? Comment below and share with your friends also.